Hi guys. This will be our second release about the End of the World Park and some other interesting information about this park. End of the World Park is a paradise for lovers and an ideal place for a wedding or honeymoon. The place is suitable for those who want to listen to the sound of waves crashing on stones, immerse themselves in their thoughts. Whoever you are, honeymooner, romantic person, tourist, in any case, the park will make an indelible impression. Every year, End of the World becomes the venue for the International Wedding Festival, and every day happy newlyweds come here. Walking along the park paths and along the edge of the surf, you will meet many grooms and brides, photographers, directors, costumers, makeup artists and florists scurry around them. Vans with props are often parked on lawns. Professional photography is an integral part of the daily life of the End of the World Park. Not only residents of the island, but also couples from other provinces of China come here for matrimonial ceremonies. A wide alley leads from the gate to the sea, at the end of which there is the Square of Love and the fountain Two Hearts Beat Together. Electric cars with passenger tram cars run along the tracks. The fare is 20 yuan. The board will cost the same amount for those who believe in fulfilling their wishes. Wooden plates are hung on tree branches. Hieroglyphs, carved on one of the boulders, designate this place as the edge of the earth, the limit of the sky. While walking along the paths of the park, you can enjoy the beauty of tropical plants, enjoy the views of the sea and just relax and unwind, receive an emotional and energetic charge. For tourists in the park there are as well food points. Comment on the video, subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Keep safe dears.